Hi, in this test exercise, we're focusing on phrasal verbs with the word come. You need to choose the correct phrasal verb to replace the verbs that have been highlighted in the following sentences. You will have a few seconds before I reveal the answer. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Good luck! Question 1. When I was tidying my bookshelves, I found an old family photograph. Is it A, came to, B, came across, or C, came up? It is B, came across. Question 2. What made you decide to start your own business? How did it happen? Is it A, come along, B, come up, or C, come about? The correct answer is C, come about. Question 3. Throughout her studies, Joanna had so many challenges and setbacks. She works extremely hard and I know that she can succeed under difficult circumstances. Is it A, come over, B, come through, or C, come out? It is in fact B, come through. Question 4. I hope that Richard will be able to devise a new strategy for our company. Is it A, come up with, B, come into, or C, come up? It is in fact A, come up with. Question 5. Alex needs to reach a decision about whether to remain in London. Is it A, come up, B, come to, or C, come across? The correct phrasal verb is B, come to. Question 6. Helen's passion for singing is expressed clearly in her beautiful vocal performances. Is it A, comes across, B, comes over, or C, comes up? It is in fact A, comes across. Question 7. Susan wants to persuade Sam so that he'll gradually change his opinion and accept her way of thinking. Is it A, come in, B, come along, or C, come around? That's right, it's C, come around. Question 8. Jack will inherit a lot of money when his grandfather dies. Is it A, come across, B, come into, or C, come about? It is in fact B, come into. So congratulations, you have now completed this test exercise. I hope you found it useful and I'd love to hear how you found it in the comments section below. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already to receive more video lessons to help you improve your English. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.